Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. We are going to go through another Mountain Aromatics base that you can purchase at creatingperfume.com. And my new one is Cotton Fresh. Cotton Fresh. Yeah, it is. It just reminds me of a white t-shirt out of the dryer, or a white t-shirt that's been hanging on the line to dry outside in the sun. Very clean, very fresh, bright. Just beautiful, just clean, pure, summertime. It's not overly warm, and it's not cool either. It's like it sits right in the middle of both of those. So I wanted to make a formula for you, and right here, right now, that will let this shine. So here we go, and we will start with Mountain Aromatics Cotton Fresh. We're going to do 5 drops. This will be in grams as well for you to use grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that will be done for you. So you can find that in the description box below and on Mountain Aromatics on the page for Cotton Fresh as well. So 5 of those. The next one is Mysantol. It's a really lighter diffusive sandalwood. Yeah, it's going to go perfect with this. We're going to do 5 of these as well. It's like 72 hours on the test strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the thing about it, it's just really diffusive, and but creamy as well. I don't know. I think you're gonna like it. I think you'll like it. The next one is Peomosa. That's the only way I know how to say it. We're gonna do 2 drops. It's from IFF. 1, 2. Peomosa from IFF. 2 drops. And it's a middle note. The next one is going to be Freesia Fleuriff. Anything it's like if IFF, it's from IFF. Right. So we're going to do just 1 of these. 1. Just 1. I like how it brings, it's a very different type of floral note. Different than the Peomosa, obviously. Next one is DPEC. It'll be written down out in the description box, I promise you. But it's Carbinol Muguet. We're going to do 2 drops. 1, 2 of it. And then Hedione for some lift. We're going to do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we go. We're going to put the cap on, and then we're going to shake this up. So let this sit for a week or 2 before you dilute it. You can dilute it down to like 10%, and I think you're going to like it. I tried to make this one like where the Cotton Fresh shines. So this is a very fresh and lighter type of fragrance, but long lasting as well. And the Cotton Fresh will last a really long time. It's a great way to get some fixative when you need like a fresh aroma, but you also need some fixative properties. This is a great one, Mountain Aromatics Cotton Fresh. And just super fresh, clean, and that's at 100%. Yeah, like the floral notes are just kind of in the background there, and it's like the sandalwood and the floral notes just kind of blend together. They're just not, it's kind of, it's, which I like, it's like hard to pick out the individual notes, like already in this. And I've already made this before, and I have diluted it and worn it, and it is really, really nice. So the other cool thing is that when you purchase this at creatingperfume.com, and I am Mountain Aromatics is exclusive to creatingperfume.com. When you purchase the Cotton Fresh, you will receive a complex full fragrance formula that I have created. You will receive that with your order. And like after that payment is made, and it could change depending on when you're viewing this or whatever, but more than likely it will be like a PDF emailed to you to your address that you have given creatingperfume.com, just so we can save on paper and that kind of stuff. So to be more environmentally friendly, which is important to me. So anyway, yeah, so that's a whole complete different formulation than we've done here. This is just a really simple one for you to kind of get used to it and know how it's working. And then the other one is definitely for you who are a little bit more advanced, and it's a complex full fragrance formula using the Cotton Fresh. So I think you guys are going to really love this, and especially you people who love the fixatives. This is going to be a really, really good one that you're going to want to put in your arsenal for making your fragrances. Because it does a good job with that and still remaining fresh and clean. So thank you so much for being here. And again, thank you to everyone at creatingperfume.com who has been there and allowed me to join you and to put my stuff out into the world. And yes, thank you for your kindness, love, and support. And I appreciate you being here. And I hope you enjoy Cotton Fresh by Mountain Aromatics. And I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.